2025 BYD Sea Lion 7 is here, and it turns out to create a sensation in the electric SUV market as it has never been before. The Sea Lion 7 cuts a very bold and futuristic model, but the sleek design on a commanding manner is very attention-catching. It has an intimidating front fascia, slender LED headlights, and smooth sidelines form a prominent pose that screams class and sleekness. Its sheer free-flowing roofline, with the huge panoramic glass roof, can only complete its luxurious image, making it look aerodynamic, coupe-like, and unusual in the SUV segment. The Sea Lion 7 is based on BYD recent E-Platform 3.0 Evo chassis that has been tuned to be configured into a pure electric model. As far as powertrain is concerned, you can expect two variants: a rear-wheel drive that will feature one motor and a more exhilarating all-wheel drive with two motors. The twin-motor configuration boosts up to 530 horsepower and will catapult the SUV Zero to the 100 km/h mark in less than 4 seconds. No kidding. Sea Lion 7 comes with very powerful battery system, including ability to provide super fast charging so that you can charge your device to 80% within 20 minutes, starting with 30%. Inside, it's a digital sanctuary. The highlight is a colossal 15.6-inch rotating infotainment screen, backdrop by a large resolution digital instrument cluster and a head-up display that helps keep important information in your line of vision. Employing an intelligent DiPilot, a Level 2 Plus assisted driving drives directly to the car with an adaptive cruise control, lane centering, auto lane change, and not to mention, self-parking is the next-gen easy. It is easy to drive, elegant, and reassuring due to low points of gravity and sensible suspension calibration. At low speed in the heavy city traffic or at full speed down the highway, the Sea Lion 7 is a stable, nimble yet wonderfully quiet racer. The 2025 BYD Sea Lion 7 is not only an electric sport utility vehicle, but it is a declaration of style of approaching the future